Perfectly situated in this dreamy pocket of Hespler Village, this gingerbread-style Victorian home will fulfill all your wants and needs. Today I'm showcasing 238 Millview Street in Cambridge. I'm Helen Fiddler, like the fiddler on this steel roof, except with only one D. If you're looking for a move-in ready home close to the 401, you're not going to want to miss any part of this tour. The main floor with all new windows and exterior doors is ideal for entertaining. The very large great room features a classic bay window, original hardwood floors, and baseboards. The traditional dining room offers a look through to the kitchen and features a modern wood stove with a fan, relieving heating costs in the winter months. A bright and trendy galley kitchen leads you outside to the carport, making barbecue nights possible any time of year. Upstairs, you have a fully renovated new bathroom with a deep soaker tub, skylight windows, and the bonus of second-floor laundry. The primary and second bedrooms are spacious and feature lots of windows for shedding some light on your subject. With a newer cement driveway, newer stucco exterior, a steel roof with a transferable warranty, updated wiring throughout, a gas forced air furnace and air conditioning system, this home has all the modern luxuries while keeping the adorable aesthetic of yesteryear. So contact Helen's Team today to book a private tour because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.